Hello everyone and welcome to my new stream. Today we're gonna develop some more stuff. We are gonna continue our farm builder, right? So I apologize. I skipped again the OpenGL session. I'm fucking down because I fell asleep. And this wasn't supposed to happen, of course, but it happened. I don't know. My I fall asleep and dang. Also, what are those notifications? Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. So here we are. This is our form application, right? We have the rules, we have everything we need, and the thing we have to do right now is to make it look prettier, right? So I love doing this part. Wait, this isn't. This is the matrix library I wrote in C. But for now, we are gonna focus on this. So, what do we have right now? So the thing we need to do right now is to create a header bar, right? So we have a sidebar, and then we have this form area, right? So let's go here and let's change the size of these components, right? So we have this, and then we have this, right? These two aren't wrapped in on the same div, so I'm just gonna put this. So I will say that the form area has this style, right? So we have the margin top, right? Set to actually, hold on. Let me just change this directly. So let's go to the style CSS class editor style. Let's try to search for to search for from area, and then we have the top attribute, right? We should put this to 51, right? The same thing applies to the sidebar, and the class is really similar. So we have the top and we set it to 51, so we should have some spacing, right? If we hard refresh this, as you can see, we have some spacing. Don't know what that is. What is this? So this component actually overflows. That's okay. That's okay. I don't know why it does this. Probably because of the button, right? Yeah, because of the margin of the button. But that's okay. That's alright. So now what we have to do, we should create a top bar, right? So we have the sidebar, and before that I will create a top bar, right? The position is fixed, right? And we have the right 0 pixel, left 0 pixel, top 0 pixel, and then we have the height. And this one is 51 pixel. Then we put a Z index. We put probably 5, right? We should, and now let's create this div. This class is top bar, right? Then we have the background color. It is probably white. Then we have the display, and it's set to flex, right? Let's am I streaming properly? Yes. Okay, that's good. Then we have justify content center, and then we have align items to set to center, right? Okay, I think this looks pretty cool. We shouldn't see anything because we didn't have anything. Look at this. I already like this. It looks so cool. It looks so great. I like it. So now let's go back here and let's add a div, right? Okay. So right now, let's go to the other page. Where is it? Probably is, the other PHP page. It's index.php, and now we should put this. We have the session, right? And then we have this. So we should put this right here, right? So we have this div. Everything should be right? Let's test this. Here we go. Wow, this looks so cool. I like this. So that's basically, then we have, wow. The thing is, we should probably, oh god, we have the heading bar. The header bar should have the top set to 51 pixel, right? And the same thing applies to the workspace right here. So we have this, right? Probably, yeah. Let's put that here. Not sure though. And let's check if we did everything correctly. So we have this, the rules, right? Wait, what the hell? Wait, I cannot scroll anymore. What? Oh, that's weird. If we revert the changes, right? Okay, let's revert the changes. And I can't steer. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Okay, I'm stupid because I don't have enough rules, right? That was the reason. Yeah, that was dumb. Okay. So let's go here. We have the top, and let's set this to 51 pixel, right? So we have it right here. What the fuck? Why is this button? Wait. What did we change? Let's revert the changes and let's try again. So we have this. Okay, this is actually the div that contains the button. Okay, that makes sense. We should just fix this, set this to 51, right? And then this, we should set it to 51. Actually, no. This should be set to 51, right? Probably. I'm not sure though. Let's go to the CSS file and let's search for this class. And we have the top, and the top should be 51 actually. So let's try again. Okay, this works, right? And then we have this. Okay, that's cool. I mean, actually, we have a little too much space here. Let's see what we get. So this is the blockly area. So this is the, okay. The top is, for some reason, the top is 102 pixel. Wait, what? It should be 51. That doesn't make any sense, honestly. Yeah, it should be 51. I don't understand why it doubled. Uh, where did I set this value actually? Oh wait, hold on. Wait. That's an automatic value. Okay, that makes sense actually. So we have this, but this part is set automatically. So we have this actually. Let's check this. What if we put that's interesting. Let me just I don't understand. Like we have the top attributes, right? We just have it right here. So for the roles, for the events workspace, we just have this. For some reason, this it's wait. Then we have this div, right? I really don't understand. So we have this div, right? What's the height? Like this is I don't get it. Why is this set to 102 pixel? Let me just override this, can I? I'm not sure, but let's try this. Yeah, I see. This is managed by the Google by the Blacklight library. Kinda annoying because you have this unnecessary spacing that you don't know where does it come from. So we have this, right? And this changed nothing. Oh wait. We also have this, right? Oh wait, it's this. Oh wait, what is this? God fucking damn it. So what if we set this to 0 pixel? We don't have the heading. Don't care. Let's bring this back. We put this. We should put this to. Should set this to 51 pixel, right? And doesn't work. Jesus fucking Christ. Hmm. What is this? How is this position static? I thought this was absolute. Let's try to fix this. And we still have problems. God fucking damn it. We can also apply the margin top, right? So the only issue is that, okay, we don't have any issue right here. Also, I don't think it is supposed to be like that. So let's. What if we go here? So we have the rules workspace page, and actually this should be 51 pixel, right? Just like that. So let's go back here and let's change this again. So now we have this part, right? And I will probably set this to a different color because we have two headings. It's not that great, but I think it's good enough, right? So we should probably create a new class for this, right? So let's put this panel right here, and this is actually the panel, right? So we put this body top bar, we'll call it like that, and let's move to the other part. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, huh? We have a class for this? Wait, huh? Wait, hold on. Wait, what is this? What is this? Oh. This is weird. I'm gonna add this. I'm also gonna add this. This looks a little bit confusing, but so we have the top bar, and we should. Let's change the style. So we have this style, right? What do we have? We have the background color, right? Then we have the backdrop filter, right? And we have this. I'm gonna take this and put it right here. And the same thing I will do right here. Wait, we have nothing here. Like this has no style. Great. So let's duplicate this and let's put another background color. So probably we put, you know what, this color right here. Let's see. Oh, that looks cool. That looks good, honestly. And this should be. Damn! Oh my god. Why is it like this? Where is the close button? This doesn't make any sense. Where is it? It's behind this. Why? What? This doesn't make any sense. What's your problem? So you know what? I'm just gonna do this. So we get this part right here, right? Yeah, it's kind of like this. Oh god, we should wrap this in multiple classes, right? Because yeah, this this isn't a good. So let's apply the same style we applied right here, and let's see what we get. That's right. For some reason, this. What the fuck is going on? Bro, this is fucking hell. Hell no, this is fucking. This shit sucks. The height should be probably it's calc 100% minus 2 pixel. It should be like this, right? Now let's try this way. Oh my god. So we have this style, right? Then we have this. The area is actually this. This is the area, right? Yeah, kind of. For some reason, this shit is. No, it's not like this. So I don't know why it is. Let's revert the changes. So we have this. This is so frustrating. I still to find the reason why it's doing this. So when we open the event management, right? We have the area. This is not correct. You stupid bitch, this isn't correct. Can we set the display to absolute? Let's try with this approach. So we set display to absolute. Then we set the top to 51 pixel and bottom to 0 pixel. Let's see what happens. We still get the exact same result because position. And now we have something different, but the fucking scroll bar is the same. Like, What is this? Oh, that's the fucking farm area. So this should be. I don't understand it. The position is fixed, right? We have position fixed. For some reason, it follows this fucking shit. Probably let's also put this right here. Oh, now we have it. Yep. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Now we have the event management system, right? So now what we have to do, we have to move this save and apply button on the top, right? We'll probably put that on the top left corner. I think this is the best choice. So let's try this. But before that, I wanna fix this because I don't like how this is. Never mind. I think this is good enough. So we finally have this thing right here. And it looks good. Right? So now let's try to implement the save button, right? So when we edit the element, we shouldn't save directly to the server. It's not that good, right? You should make some autosave. We should just create some autosave events that triggers uh, every minutes, every I don't know, every X minutes, and then we create a save as draft button, and then we create a save and apply, right? That's what we need to do. And everything is contained inside one one request. Like we have to request the the rules, then we have to request to make we have to wrap the rules, the workspace, the event workspace, and then the form data and the style in one single request. Right? Should be like that, honestly. Also, every time we try to exit the page, we should make a warning, right? So let's check this. Um, web how to display, how to prevent user from exit the page without saving. I don't know how to do that, honestly. There is a JavaScript function, probably. Wait, let me just JavaScript alert when closing tab. So we can actually put a custom message. Wait, what? Wait, if we go to df.io, right? That's a game. Let me just connect to a random game. Oh my fucking god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, this is. Oh god! I think I crashed. Oh my god! I'm still streaming. Wait. I don't know if I'm still streaming, but Google stopped working. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh god. Everything froze. Guys, I'm checking the live stream. Okay, Chrome crashed, but OBS is also crashed. Like, okay, we are back. So Chrome froze and we crashed. My fucking god. Hold on, let me just reopen Chrome. Okay, so we're back here. So let's try to log in into diep.io. So if we go here, right, and then we close this page, we have this. I want to achieve this, right? Actually, we can't select the text. Let me log in again. Let me join again. This is the thief of Woxell. So this game is addicting. So I want to display this message, right? I don't want to disable that. I actually want to enable this. Enable. Like, I don't know how some people enable this. Wait, including results for disable. I want not search only for enable. I don't understand, like, how can I put this? JavaScript. Oh, we finally found. Oh my god. No, don't do that. Okay. So we have how to add changes you may not be saved warning to a Next.js app. This isn't a Next.js app. And what the fuck are you doing? How can I enable this? I only found how to disable it, but I want to enable it. What the fuck? Am I the only one having this issue? I want to enable this. I want to, you know, just enable this. Yeah, I want to trigger this, right? So it's actually what they put before, right? Oh my god. This is... So we have to add this event. We have to add a new listener. Wait, no. Yes, we have to do this. Oh my fucking god. That's the function that we get called, right? So let's do this, I guess. Mm. Okay, let me just copy this. And should we include this right here? This is a page feature, so I would probably include it right here. And then what we have. Oh Jesus, there's so much stuff here. I put a... What the fuck is happening with my Logitech mouse? I have the Logitech Hero 502, but when I enable the free scroll, there is some friction. What the fuck? Oh, there was something there. Okay, now everything is fixed. Let me just search for this tag. Why do we have an empty script here? What the hell? This doesn't make any sense. I was drunk when I did this. Probably. So let's put this handle right here. What the fuck are you doing? Let's have this, but it's actually the same script. Okay. Let's add this. Let's add this. So let's try to print this. What if we close this and it just closes? Wait. Let me. Oh. Okay. That's great. For some reason, this when we click somewhere here, it actually displays the message, right? That's cool. Let's reload this. So if we don't do anything, we get this. But if we go here and then reload this, yeah, if we focus on something, like if we focus on even if we click the background and then refresh this, we get a warning, right? Yeah, that's basically what I want. Then we have to save this as a draft, right? So let's do this. So this actually takes 3 requests, right? Yeah. We probably need 3 connections. I think this is the best way to do it. So we get 3 different connections, right? So let's go here. Where is it? Oh my god. So if we hit that, you actually get this, right? We have everything we have here. So let's just create this a new function and we'll call it save, right? Then what we have to do is to actually to save the form, right? Then we have to save the rules, and then we have to save probably the workspace, right? But I feel like this should be handled by a single component on the backend, because just to prevent asynchronous calls. So we have the workspace right here. So we have the save events, right? Um, so let's create a new file and we'll call it save.php. So we will get this, right? So now what we have to do is let's create so let's create the file. So file get contents, and then the contents are inside PHP input. Then we get the data, right? And this is a JSON decode from F, and then we do this, right? That's basically what we have to do. Just oh my god, can you Okay, so what the fuck is this error? Get the fuck out of here. Let's check if it's still streaming. I always have to check this because we never know. Yes, I am. Let me just check if everything is alright. Yeah, it is. And let me like my own stream. So let's go here. And let's add, oh my god. So we have this part, right? Now what we have to do is we have to make requests, right? To save everything. So we have to make 3 different requests. So to do save form, now we have a new to do save rules, and then we have to do save events, and this also should depend on if we want to save it as a draft or not, right? So So we have to change everything actually. So we have to design the save system, right? Or else I could fix the API, right? What should we do? So we definitely need to save the API, right? So we definitely need this, right? But this part should be triggered by this part should be a centralized thing, right? So right now we have two save buttons, one for the rules and one for the event management system. For now it's pretty much simple, but this is temporary. This is a temporary solution, right? So let's see what we can do to fix this problem. So we definitely need a form ID, right? So this is the save ifs, right? And this is pretty much so we have this right here, but this is generated. Oh fuck, this isn't that good. So this shouldn't be here actually. So let's duplicate this and let's remove this. So now we are only saving this, right? Okay. Now we should try to remove this include directive, right? So let's see if I'm using this function somewhere else. So we have this. Looks like I'm only using it right here. That's good. That's good. And to do that, we just have. So did I put? Okay, I passed the data, right? What the fuck? There is no parameter here. Probably this. Oh, that's another thing. So we passed. What do we pass here? I didn't pass the parameter, but I just passed. Like there is no parameter here. So, wow. So right now, what we have to do? So we have this, right? Let's try to uh, remove this. So we definitely need this, but we need to retrieve it in a different way. So let me just do this. Let me just try to return this value. So when we hit set and apply, actually need to check this, right? Then we have the data, right? That's the payload. So the data is, then we have the form ID, and then we have the workspace, right? Okay, that's cool, I guess. Actually, what even am I doing? So what we need is to retrieve the form ID, right? And why is this a post request? Oh, I don't think it should be like that. Let me change this. Let me do this. So, oh my god, this is fucking insane. So let's go here. So this script should be independent, right? So this generates the events, right? So let's create get, no, we have to get file get contents, right? Then we pass PHP input like that. Then we have I will keep this just because we already used this. We already used this variable, so I will keep using this, but never do this. And then we decode this. So I can reuse these functions right here without changing anything. Not a good practice at all. Probably it's the worst, right? So now we have to decode this. Actually, we have to retrieve these values. So let's see what we can do. We have to make a database connection, right? So let's go here and let's put this right here. Okay. Then what we have to do is we have to no, we don't have to do that. We have the form, and then we have the what do we need to retrieve actually? Oh Jesus fucking Christ, let me just check. Probably this, right? We have to retrieve this value, right? Probably. I don't know actually. And I should save the event somewhere. Should we save this? Let me just check the database. There is something to optimize in this process. There is definitely something to optimize. So we have the forms. Now we have the forms. So we have to create a new column, right? Yeah, I think so. Let's do it. Let's do this. So, alter table forms, add column. It should be the name will be is, then the type is long text probably, and we're done. So we get this right here. So we have to save this like this. So we save is, and then we do it this way, right? That's basically it, right? So after we did this, we have to perform a request. So we have, what do we have? So let me check if I still, okay. So PHP core post requests. So let me just check how this works. So we have this, right? We have to initialize to API slash save probably ifs js.php probably. Now we just have to do this, right? So let's do that. This is inefficient as fuck, I know, but we have to redesign this part because I didn't add the rules yet, so I thought it was a different thing, but actually the thing actually these features have something common that I didn't calculate it before. Now we have post data, and this should be, so we should create the data, right? So what we have, What do we have? We definitely need the form ID, right? And the form ID is actually this. And I think that's it. That's it. We only did the form ID, right? Should we authenticate this? Probably, yeah. But I will set the origin to... I need to set the origin to accept only local calls from this script. So everything will be handled. I'm actually not sure if that will work. So what we have to do right now wait, this is actually different. Where is the fucking... Here it is. This is actually ifs, right? And probably, I don't know, it should be like that, right? So what happens if we save the events, right? Let's refresh this and let's open this, right? Let's test this and set it to this. And what happens if I hit this? Do we get... Okay, we don't get any response, and this is a 200 OK. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nope, nothing is saved. Oh my god. So we have a failure, right? Let's check what we have on the database system. I mean on the database. Okay, we generated this, right? So this is actually the... I fucking hate... Okay. That's what we have. Right? Yeah, this should be good. That should be good enough, right? And we have some problems, apparently. So let me just var dump server output, and let's see what we get. Let's try again. We get false. What does that mean? We just get false. What? I don't understand honestly what that means. We just get false. Um, PHP core request. Um, Print response core get info. It is like that, right? So should we execute this? Should we have the execution, right? And we have a structured output, and oh my god, there are so many attributes here. I don't know, probably no, it's not this. um what the fuck. Let me just var dump everything. Like, I'm gonna just var dump this. Let me just do this so we actually get cor underscore get info, like this. Then we have the handle, so that's the handle, right? And let's try to bring that out. So if we hit save and apply, let's see what we get. Oh, what the fuck is this? Bro, everything is set to 0. Content type null? What? This doesn't make any sense. Does it actually generate the code? What the fuck? Okay, that's a bit. Let's read the code. So we have this right here. It didn't update. It didn't update. That's not supposed to happen. That is not supposed to happen. Definitely not. Let me just check what we. What the fuck is this? Why do we don't have anything here? Bro, what the hell? That's probably because we don't even wait. I think I know why. Well, let me just edit config.php, right? And let me just check for this. So we have this. Let's try again. I mean, that is not supposed to happen. Now we have it. We finally get some errors. So undefined constant. The fuck are you? That's because we didn't include this. Why did we include this? What the hell? Let's try again. And we don't have we have nothing, right? But for some reason this doesn't update. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the fuck? You stupid fucking cunt bitch. Update this shit right now. Oh, that's probably because we generate the code, but we actually didn't do anything else. So we should probably, yeah, this is what it returns, but we should probably make a request. Probably temporary. Let's always put this right here. So we execute this, and this is actually, we should update. So we update this. Let me just grab the code here, like that, and then paste it right fucking here. No, not like this. I mean, this. Okay, so now we have to update this, right? And this should be the output. So we have the output, and then we have this globals FID. This should be, it should work. Let's try again. Get no response, that's a good thing, but let's see if this actually changed it. It didn't. What the fuck, bro? So let's see what's the fucking issue. Oh, where is it? It's still 1, 2, 3, 4. Why didn't update? Oh, that's because we didn't. Okay, I know why. I know what happened. So we have this, right? So let's call this. What is this try? Oh, it's right there. So let's do JS. Let's try again. Let's try once again. Let's see if now everything changed. It didn't. Oh my fucking god, I swear to fucking god. Oh my fucking god. This shit is pisses me off. The fuck are you doing, bro? Should we include this? I'm not gonna include this part. Can you just shut the fuck up and save this shit? Oh my fucking god, you stupid fucking cunt! It doesn't. It fucking doesn't. It's too fucking stupid to save this shit. Why are you so fucking stupid? Oh my fucking god. Can we output this? No. Let's see what we get. Oh, we actually get some response. So let's see if we get this output. Let's see. So we do this. And we do this. And let's, oh god. Let's save this. We get nothing. So that means everything worked, right? I don't know. Don't know. Wait. Let me just hold on. Let me just try this. Can we read the status code? Oh, here we are. 400. Okay. This is gonna be. Oh my god. The fact is, let's see, 400. How is that not defined? What the fuck? Are you serious, bro? Form ID. I didn't. Wait. What? That's the only thing I sent here. I only sent one thing, and that's the thing I sent. Why is this not valid? Bro, what the hell? Let me also write down this. So we write down this, right? And let's print everything. Don't really care. Fuck that shit. It is null. Are you fucking stupid? What the fuck, bro? The reason is the fucking. Where the fuck is it? So this is null. For some reason this is null. Because this fucking PHP is stupid. So we have this. Why don't we have the actual request here? Right? We should have it, right? But we don't. What happens if I print this out? Let's check. Oh my god. Oh, that's why. So what if we, what happen if I var dump this? Right, right. So everything should work, right? So if we, yeah, it works. Oh my god. Oh, phew. Okay, we did it. We definitely need to update this code. And don't fucking open this C project. So we have the post. We have this, right? I mean apps.js. Probably what we have. Yeah, this should be right. And then we wait. Where do I get? Okay, right here. Okay, we finally did it. So let's go here and let's do the same thing for the rules, right? So if we okay, what the fuck is this? Hold on. So okay, we should comment this out first. And second, where do we get the roof from? So this is where we retrieve the rules, right? And this is where we generate the JavaScript code. Actually, no, this is just the event. So we should call this. Oh my god, my anxiety. So after we did this, right? We should get the we get the rules, and for each rules we generate the right. So we paste this right here. Don't do this. Okay. I will pass the form ID on this form. Okay. Simple, right? So now we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. So we can revert this. Let's check if everything works. We save it, we refresh this, and now we have, okay, now we have 1 2 3 4, oh wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's change this. So let's edit this, and now let's create let's add a underscore, right? And let's hit save and apply. Let's hard refresh this, and now 1 2 3 4 5 6. And no, this doesn't change anything. Oh my god. So what happened? Oh, right. Let's include config.php. Now let's try again. Now we don't have anything. It's 200. Okay, let's try again. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and everything works. That's good. That's good. So we started to move to centralize the system, and that's a good thing, right? Yeah, that's probably a good thing. Wait, how long am I streaming? Wow, 1 hour and a half. That's crazy. That's crazy. So if we want, we can add a new rule, then we hit save and apply, and then we have it. We have the rules, right? That's basically what we need to do. The same thing for the event, and for some reason we don't fucking hate when this happens. So yeah, we have this, and then this, let's close this, yep. Now everything works, right? We added this style. We can probably do this. We probably need to, to create drafts and things like that. But for now, I'm just gonna be right there. Also, should we add some spacing? Yeah, I think we should. So we have this, right? Let's add some margin, right? You can also say that this is a padding top 20 pixel. Yeah, I think this looks good. Let's try 10 pixel. Oh god. Yeah, this looks good. I will add 10 pixel padding right here. So we go, here, right? Then we have actually this part should be, I don't care, I'll add this inside the rule blocks. So we have rule blocks, right? And let's add this style. Let's reload this, and we have this right here. That's good. That's good. So this is pretty much how we handle this. So we can add a new rule. Yeah, as you can see, we can delete it, we can move it, we can save it. Let's remove this and let's save it. So we refresh this and then we have, yep, everything works just fine. That's good. Okay, so I like how things are starting to have their own shape. Like this thing is looks like it is almost complete, right? Yeah, looks. So now we should add more elements, right? Also, another thing is make we should add the asterisk, the asterisks to mark the fields as required. So let's do this. Oh god. So the part that we should edit is get HTML form. We should edit this part, right? And we should include it on the label. Look at this. We are lucky enough to get this right here. So what we need to do is just to add this part right here. So let's do that. So this is just a span, right? And we have this type of, okay. Can I just, okay. Let's add this. So so what if the field let me just, okay, I'm gonna do something stupid, but let me just hard dump this so we get a mass right here, right? What the fuck, bro? What happened? Wait, what? What the hell? Alright, this is a JavaScript. Oh fuck. Also, let's check what we have here. So if required is set to true. So okay, that's good. That's good. So if is set, right? field required. Oh my god. Why do we have this fucking issue? PHP is so confusing sometimes. So we have is set field required, and we check if it is required, right? We will add, oh god, can you fucking, okay, or else nothing can be added. So yeah, we just have to add this class on the JS. Hold on. We have this style.css, right? And we don't have anything. We have, no, we don't. Oh my god. So let's go here and let's add this. This is a span. So we just have this, and the color is red. Easy. And oh god, we should also, okay, let me just do this. So we have the class, right? We need the class. Here we go. What the hell? No. Now we need this class right here. Just copy this and paste it like that, and then we just, I think this should be okay. Here we are. That's good. That's good. Okay. We also added this audio thing right here. And yeah, that's, now we have to style this element. That is easy. That is also easy. But how long did my stream? Okay, when we reach 2 hours, I'm gonna take a short break, and I will come in a few minutes. So what we have right now, we also have to style this, right? I guess. Oh, that's so. Oh, that's only the border. We have all of this. Oh my god, this is. So we have the background color. Oh my god. Right? And then we have to query this. So we have style. Why is it brown? What the hell? Oh, I forgot to add this. Really important. So we have style. Submit, I guess. Yeah. We have submit. Then we have background, right? Background like this. Then we have the color, right? Then we have active. I mean, actually, it's normal. So normal, right? Now we should append this part. So let's do that. Actually, this should be, for now it's set to 0. What the fuck? Wait, what's going on? I'm still streaming. Let me check this. So let's open. Oh my god. I had a heart attack for a second because what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. Because usually there is a red circle when you live stream, unless you are hosting the live stream, right? So let's replace this part with this, and then this part with normal, probably, right? Yeah. And it should be like this, right? Then we have the same thing applied for the color, and actually color has only this attribute, so it will be easy, right? Wait, we have the text, okay? So we have text. Oh Jesus Christ. So we have text, color, normal, right? Now we have to set the font size. Let's do it. Font size, and then we have text size like that, right? So what happens if we wrote this? We don't get anything because we have to include this part, right? So let's go here, and we should get the class, right? So let's grab this. So we have this class right here, and then we append form, just like that. And nothing is working. Great. I don't understand why. That's weird. Can you go fuck yourself, window? Okay, though, what do we have? Like, oh my god, why is it? Oh god. What the fuck, bro? Why is it like this? So we have a button. Oh, right. Let me just get rid of this. Then we put this right here. And let's try to refresh the page. And we still get nothing. It should be. Let me just check the sources and check the style. Let's see if we did something wrong here. Let's see what happened. Oh, I know why. Yeah, I know why. I know what happened exactly. You just have to set it to the button. Oh my god, can you... So this shit doesn't work. Great. So this is a button, right? Let's check this. So this is the button, right? What could go wrong? Wait, there is actually some difference. Did I just forgot to... I think I'm stupid. I'm fucking stupid. We get something, and I don't know why. Like, we have border. We have the border color. What? Wait, what? I'm not sure why, but yeah, I guess we have this part right here. And if we, of course, we should make it clickable, so we get cursor pointer. So this is pointer, right? Yep. The same thing we should probably do the same thing for the color. Not sure though. Let's do that. Let's also apply it for the color. We have the color. Oh my god. Probably, yeah, like this. We get this. Yep. Now this is much more clickable. That's cool. That's good. Okay, how long am I stream? Oh, 2 hours, like 20 seconds. And we reached 2 hours. That's great. So far we added the style, we added the header, we added the top bar, we adjusted this part right here. For some reason this shit doesn't work. Now it does. Fucking hate when this happens. I don't know why is that, but yeah, we will find a solution. We fix this. We also fixed the save and apply buttons for the of for both of them. We created like a temporary script to to slowly centralize everything. That's great. I like it, and I'll be right back. So I will take a short break, and I will be right back. Yeah. Did I already open this? Yes. So see you later. Okay, we are back. So, where we left. So, where we left, right? I don't know what. Oh God, um, so we are back here, and do we actually? Okay. So what do we do right now? Don't know. I'm tired as fuck, and honestly, we almost did what we had to do, right? Okay. So so we have everything right here, right? We probably have, right? I don't know what am I doing right now. I'm trying to think what to do. I'm not hungry at all. What are you gonna say? I cannot focus. I'm just for some reason I had this total confusion. Right? Mm. honestly, I, I have, I cannot focus right now. I, I don't know. She's so anxious. I love the females. Mm. Uh, wait a second. I cannot focus right now. I think I have to end the stream, right? Holy shit. But we fixed what we had to fix, right? The thing is, we have to make a front end check, right? I'm fucking tired. I'm tired of shit, man. So let's test. No. So we have this. What do we have? We have this. Why is this a fucking? Oh my god! Let's name this. Nice. I cannot. We have to make a screen. We have to create a splash screen that is loading. So what if we go here? Okay. So we have this, right? Oh god, let me just go here. Why is this so laggy? This is so laggy. I have this. Don't know. Yes, I cannot think anymore. I think I'm gonna end the stream because I seriously cannot think and I lost the ability to think. I'm so anxious and I'm fucking tired. It's 5 a.m. for me, right? Yeah, and I'm weird. And thank you so much for watching and good night, everyone.